Hello, Insurance House would like to introduce you to our IH Express personal line product. In conjunction with Bells and Clements, our IH Express personal line product allows you to easily quote and file an application for HO3 homeowner policies. This product is for single-family homes 50 years or younger with a replacement cost value between $75,000 to $400,000. Here is a brief demonstration on submitting an application. To submit an application that has been previously quoted, click on Retrieve History option on the left of the screen. It will show you the list of your existing quotes and applications. You can filter to just show your quotes. Here you can see your previous quote for Nancy Drew. Click on View to view the quote again and it will populate your quote. Check all of your previously entered information. Once you have confirmed that the information is correct, click to Application. These are your risk qualifiers. If any of the answers for these questions are true, then the applicant is not qualified for this homeowner's policy. Answering these questions now helps the agent to filter all of the non-eligible applicants at the beginning of the process. All of the information that was entered for the quote pre-populates on the application. You must, however, enter the applicant's birthday and email address if not previously entered. If the mailing address is different from the applicant's property address in which they are requesting the policy, then you can add it as well. You can also add a secondary insured, if any. Select the coverage start date that you would like the policy to begin. The policy type is going to be HO3 by default. This screen shows all of the property build, interior, and exterior details. Most of this information is pre-populated from our third-party data sources. You can always add or change any data that you need to. This page is the occupancy and personal liability details. If the property is unoccupied, the applicant is not eligible for this policy. Here we have some personal liability questions. For instance, if the applicant has dogs, you will need to select the breed and indicate if there is a dog bite history. If there is a swimming pool or trampoline, you may select them from here also. The next screen is the coverages and mortgage history. If the property is currently insured, we need to select the applicant's insurance carrier and the expiration date of that policy. You can also select the number of previous claims that the applicant has had in the home and check the checkbox below. These are the coverage details that we have selected in the quote process. Please notice that the settlement type will always default to replacement cost value. You can change this to actual cash value if your client prefers. Be sure to check over the rest of the information to ensure that it is correct. If there is a mortgage on the house, you can fill out the mortgage details here and then click Submit and Calculate Premium. Here is the application summary. You can see the breakdown of additional coverage, discounts, fees, and surplus line taxes. The premium can change based on the information that you have entered into the claims and coverage section. As you can see, ours has stayed the same. Be sure to look over the applicant and the coverage information. If everything looks good, you can click on Sign Application to proceed. This is the application form summary. Here you can see the summary of everything that has been entered. Scroll through and make sure that all the information is correct. If everything looks correct, the agent can sign the application with his first and last name. Then the applicant can sign the application with their first and last name. A one-time password will be sent to the applicant's cell phone. Only after that password has been entered and confirmed will the application be complete. Now the agent must click View Agent Forms and it will direct you to fill out the Georgia Due Diligence form. Fill out the requested information and then click Submit. Click Submit for underwriter's approval, and the application has been sent to the underwriter. This concludes our video on submitting an application.